Here you go. Oh, wow.
Good.
Oh,
Good. Here, talk to Daddy. Come here. Daddy.
okay, here we go. Ready? No.
A little bit higher.
Up here. Stand up tall like a big boy. Like a big boy. Good job.
Daddy, let's try one more time.
Ready? Come to Daddy.
You're killing me.
Okay, here you go. Steps. I think he's getting
I
tired.
know. He's like, oh, geez, what a workout. What a workout this is, huh?
There you go, there you go. Oh, you farted while walking. Look at you. Oh, good job. Good
What
job.
a good job. Oh, tongue.
Hi. Say bye-bye, Ryan.